263, Task 4, Assignment Number 2, Parliamentary Procedures. The meeting will please come to order. The Secretary will read the minutes of the previous meeting. Are there any corrections to the minutes?
There is an error. At the last meeting, we voted to give $50 to the youth group, not $100.
The correction is accepted. Are there any further corrections? Seeing none, the minutes are accepted as corrected. We will now have the Treasurer's report. Are there any questions? If none, the Treasurer's report will be filed subject to audit. We have one item of unfinished business, the postponed motion from the previous meeting that we have a benefit car wash. Is there any discussion?
The dentist office on 29th and Southeast Boulevard always lets people use his parking lot for car washes. He's a friend of my daughter's. I know he will let us use his space. I move that we have the car wash on the first Saturday of July.
I second.
It has been moved and seconded. We have the car wash the first Saturday of July. Those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed to the motion, say aye. The motion to have the car wash is accepted. We will have a car wash. Are there any announcements?
Yes, there will be a movie at the Garland Theater with captions on Friday, January 7th at 7 p.m.
Are there any other announcements?
The potluck will be here at the center from 4 to 8 p.m. this coming Saturday.
We will now open the discussion about the potluck for the month of June and where it will be held.
I nominate Bill Ingsley for president.
Point of order.
Please state your point.
The speaker is off the subject. The discussion is about the potluck, not the president.
Your point is well taken. Thank you. We are talking about the place for the potluck.
Okay, but we need a president and we need to vote by paper ballot.
You are still off point. We are discussing the potluck.
Okay, will the potluck have a dance with it this month?
I move to adjourn.
Excuse me, there's a question on the floor.
All right. Yes, there will be a potluck with the dance this month.
Does someone make a motion?
I motion that we have a potluck with a dance this month.
Is there a second?
I second it.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
It's been moved and seconded that a potluck with the dance has passed.
I move to adjourn.
I second that.
It is moved and seconded that we adjourn. Those in favor of the motion to adjourn, please say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed? The motion to adjourn is carried. We are now adjourned.